Today I show you have in this video 10 creative outdoor garden decor ideas to transform to your space. Looking to revamp your outdoor garden in this video. We'll show you 10 stunning garden decor ideas to make your outdoor spaces an relaxing paradise. Whether you have small patio, backyard or a balcony garden, these creative ideas are perfect for adding the charm personality to your space. Here is some future ideas: die hanging planter of small spaces and vertical garden for lush green look. Transform to your garden into stunning space without breaking the bank in this video. We'll showcase the easy die garden decor ideas using the everyday items like a mason jars and old furniture and recycled material. From creative the planter hacks, the upcycled garden art, you all find the budget-friendly ways to bring life and your outdoor space. And second part, vertical gardens of small short spaces, the no problem discover how to create a beautiful vertical garden perfect for patios, balconies and all small backyard. Well, I will show you how to use the wall mounted planters and stackable pots and the repurpose the leather of maximize your greenery and even impact your areas. And number three, given your garden to magical glow with creative outdoor lights ideas from the solar power, the lantern and the fairy lights to die mason of the jar lights. We all share always to creative a cozy and enchanting atmosphere from the evening gatherings to course night. Love sleek and clean design. The check out this minimalist garden decor ideas with stylish furniture and monochromatic and colored plates and the contemporary plants agreements. Learn how to create a sophisticated outdoor space that feel the serene of the modern. Bring touch of charm to your garden with rustic and vintage decor, and from the weathered wooden branches to antique watering cans, the turn on planters. To this video is packed with ideas to give your garden a warm countryside feel. Nothing beats the claiming the sound of water and discover unique water feature for your garden, including the small die furniture. I hope you're doing well. To follow my YouTube channel Home Decor Stunt from the more innovative ideas. Thanks for watching.